From across the ocean, 10 incredible ways the Choctaw Tribe united with Ireland. Fact 1. In 1847, Ireland was experiencing the devastating effects of the Great Famine. At this time, Ireland's most vulnerable citizens were in dire need of help and support. Fact 2. Despite their struggles, the Choctaw Tribe, an indigenous people of the southeastern United States, felt a deep sense of compassion towards the people of Ireland. Fact 3. They raised an incredible sum of $170 in 1847, which is equivalent to thousands of dollars today, to help those affected by the famine. Fact 4. This act of solidarity is particularly remarkable considering that the Choctaw Tribe had recently endured their own forced removal from their ancestral lands, known as the Trail of Tears. Fact 5. With the money raised, the Choctaw Tribe sent aid to Ireland, ensuring that the Irish people received much-needed food and supplies during a time of immense suffering. Fact 6. Their compassion did not stop there. The Choctaw Tribe continued to provide relief efforts to Ireland by raising funds and support for their ongoing recovery. Fact 7. This incredible bond between the Choctaw Tribe and Ireland has not been forgotten. To this day, the Irish people hold a deep appreciation for the kindness shown by the Choctaw Tribe during their time of need. Fact 8. In 1990, a sculpture called Kindred Spirits was erected in County Cork, Ireland, as a symbol of gratitude and unity between the Choctaw Tribe and Ireland. Fact 9. The bond between the Choctaw Tribe and Ireland serves as a powerful reminder that compassion and unity can transcend borders and cultures. Fact 10. From across the ocean, the Choctaw Tribe and Ireland's story is a testament to the extraordinary kindness that can emerge during the darkest of times. Thanks for watching this video on From Across the Ocean, 10 Incredible Ways the Choctaw Tribe United with Ireland. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.